1970, Chevrolet Chevelle, listed in Killeen, Texas for $16,000. This is a solid project car with a lot of potential. It comes with a rebuilt 454 engine, though it's not installed yet. The buyer will also get both an automatic and a 4-speed manual transmission. The car itself has already undergone a frame-off restoration, with the frame cleaned and painted, solid floors, and a good trunk. The current white paint is temporary and will need a proper repaint. Inside, it has a bench seat in decent shape, a good back seat, worn door panels, and new carpet, though it still needs a headliner. The dash and round gauges are in decent condition. If you're looking for a Chevelle to build to your liking, this is a great candidate. The seller is open to trade-ins for other interesting vehicles and is also offering the car without the engine for $15,000. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1968) Chevrolet Biscayne, listed in Merigold, Mississippi for $2,500. This is a running project, but it's not quite ready to be a daily driver yet. It has a 350 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission shifted from the column. The car does have some rust, and it needs a new trunk pan and gas tank. The current setup includes a temporary boat fuel tank. The wheels aren't balanced, so it shouldn't be driven at high speeds. There is no title, but the seller has information on the last titled owner and will provide a bill of sale. A brand new windshield is included but hasn't been installed yet. Open to trades for a 1990s Chevy pickup, an S10 project truck, or a motorcycle. (1969) Pontiac Grand Prix Model J, listed in Irving, Texas for $9,600. This classic coupe still carries its original 400 cubic inch engine, rebuilt 5 years ago, paired with its matching 400 automatic transmission. The car has been inspected, registered, and is driven frequently. The interior is mostly original. The passenger seat has some tears, but the driver's seat has been reupholstered. There's a small crack in the dash, and a brand new headliner comes with the car but has not been installed. The lower quarter panels and front fenders were replaced due to rust, though the frame and floors remain solid. It is currently coated in dark gray epoxy primer. So, the final paint job is up to you. The suspension and brakes were replaced 2 years ago, making this a solid driving project with plenty of potential. (1973) Dodge Dart, listed in Parsons, Kansas for $13,500. This is a fun street car with plenty of power under the hood. It's running a 440 big block engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission and a 410 rear end. The car also has front disc brakes and power steering for a solid driving experience. It runs and drives well, though it's not a show car, just a great cruiser with lots of potential. The seller believes it's worth more than the asking price, and additional details can be found in the last picture of the listing. It comes with a clear Kansas title in the seller's name. (1966) Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe, listed in Liberty, Missouri for $17,000. This is a very clean, well-maintained classic that has always been kept in a garage and hand-washed only. It has less than 1,800 miles, which is believed to be the original mileage, a rare find for a car like this. Under the hood, you'll find the original 425 cubic inch V8 engine, making this Toronado a true piece of automotive history. The seller is open to offers but encourages quick decisions, as low-mileage examples like this don't come around often. (1966) Chevrolet Chevelle, listed in Independence, Kansas for $6,500. This classic was originally sold new at Stevenson Chevrolet in March of 1966 and has been well cared for ever since. Under the hood, you'll find a 283 cubic inch engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. The engine has been rebuilt, and oil change receipts are available as proof. It runs great and is a reliable driver, featuring power steering and factory air conditioning. Many new parts have been added over time, but it still maintains that patina classic look with its original aged character. This Chevelle is a perfect choice for someone who wants a vintage ride they can enjoy as a daily driver. (1964) Pontiac Bonneville, listed in Tuttle, Oklahoma, for $6,000. This is a true barn find, tucked away for about 20 years. It's not currently running, but it was before being stored, and it still has all its original parts in chrome. It comes with a 389 engine, and while it doesn't have air conditioning, it is a two-door model, not a sedan. The body has some damage, but it does have brand new tires. This car has history, originally owned by the seller's grandfather and in the seller's possession since 1984 before they joined the Army. It comes with a clean title, the original sales receipt, a set of original keys, and the owner's manual. Payment is accepted in cash or a certified check verified at Sooner State Bank. No personal checks. The buyer must pick up the car. (1965) Plymouth Fury, listed in Memphis, Tennessee, for $6,500. This is a project car that runs and drives, but it's not quite roadworthy yet. It needs a flywheel, and there's some rust on the driver's side floorboard. It's powered by a 318 engine, and all the lights work. Since it's not fully ready to hit the road, it will need to be towed. A solid starting point for a restoration or a classic cruiser build. (1960) Ford Thunderbird two-door coupe, listed in Moravia, Iowa, for $3,500. This classic has just over 40,000 miles and is a project car with lots of potential. It is powered by a 352 cubic inch V8 engine that cranks but does not start due to low compression. The fuel system has been cleaned, and a new fuel tank has been installed. The body is in fair condition, the interior is quite nice, and the chrome is fair. The tires hold air, so the car can roll for transport. Whether you're looking to restore, modify, or use it for parts, it comes with a clean and clear Iowa title, ready for its next owner. (1956) Buick Special Riviera, listed in Fairfield Township, Ohio, for $2,800. This classic has been in the same family since it was brand new, but has been sitting since 1981. It's a project car that doesn't currently run or drive, but the original 322 Nailhead Fireball V8 engine turns over. Paired with an automatic transmission, this Buick also features power steering and power brakes. The floors and trunk are solid, though there is some rust on the body. With 52,000 miles on it, this car has plenty of potential for restoration and would make a great driver with the right work. The seller has too many projects and is looking to pass this one on to someone ready to bring it back to life.